someone whose mind holds him in bondage. What's the matter? Well, they said, I got this and I got that and I got the other. And, the pain is so much. And the doctor said there are only 3 of us in the whole world that are sick of this thing. They've never seen anybody come out of it. And they said, I'm going to die. So, I don't know. I'm just waiting on the Lord. That maybe the Lord. What can you see? The Lord can't do nothing for you until you see it. He can only do for you what you see. That's why He gave you a mind. So you can think. Listen, everything here came from minds of men. Thoughts. Everything here came from some good thinking. Somebody had to think about this. Thomas Edison thought about the incandescent light. That's why we got it. They said, quit. We're told 10,000 times he tried and failed. He said, never. Every time I failed, I thought I found out one more way in which it will not work, and I felt I was one step closer to the way it had to work. Until he got it, and that's why we're here. Thoughts. Thoughts. What can you think? Don't let your mind just go everywhere. No! You can discipline your mind. You choose the thoughts to accept. You choose the thoughts. That's what makes the difference between the one who's disciplined and the one who's not. The one who turns out to be a drug addict and the one who turns out to be the head of a bank or a great businessman or a great politician or a pastor or minister, someone. The thinking. What were you thinking? What was on your mind? Some just thought. They just allowed anything to come into their minds. They said, well, I'm not responsible for what comes to my mind. They said, I'm not responsible. No, you are. Think about that farmer who comes to his garden and finds there's so much weeds. And then he says, I got corn and I got weeds and I got tomatoes. I got weeds, lots of weeds and grasses. Wow. I like it. What do you think is going to happen? He definitely isn't a farmer. At least not a good one. The weeds will destroy the crop. I said, oh no, it doesn't matter. Let everything grow. I'm not responsible. I don't know how they got here. Yeah, you don't know how they got here. But you can't let them stay here. You've got to decide. The Bible says to mount guard over your mind. Don't let every thought come in. You choose the thoughts to accept. That's what will change your life. The thoughts you choose to allow. The thoughts you choose to allow. Those are the thoughts that will affect you. What thoughts will you allow? Glory to God.